Check it out. Pretty cool tunnel, ain't it? Looks pretty cool in here. If we had some exhaust. What we hauling in the back here. Do you see it? Take a look. That's a honing machine. What's left of it? Yeah.
In 2 miles, continue onto I.
Okay. So we are coming back from Ohio with a CK-10 home. Indiana, my bad. We're close to Ohio, weren't we?
Maybe not.
Yeah, it don't matter. It's been a long day. We left out. We're in Louisville now. We left out at 6 a.m. Well, you can see. Look at the sign. Check it out. And we're going to try to unload this, so I at least get it onto the rollback and get the. I'll show y'all once we make it back. It's a little sketchy. I think we're going to make it back, don't you, Toy?
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah. Well, I think we're doing good.
We're about halfway back.
We got 3 hours and something left. I'll check back in with you once we make it. That way you can see exactly what we're doing with and see what we got in store for you future content. So we made it. It's actually evening. The trailer made it. Ooh, a bug in my ear. You get bugs just randomly flying into your ears. This happens to me quite often. But anyway, we got the home behind us. It's a CK-10. The rest of the stuff, if it's, you know, see anything different, I don't know. Did you see anything in the video behind me? Do you notice anything like the cabinet and stuff gone? That's already at the shop. I'll show you in another video once we go set this up. I do a video on it and all that. Because this is going to be some good content, ain't it? Because now we can actually not only bore motors, we can final home them to size. Yeah, can you say machine shop coming soon? Yeah. Okay, let's check his home out. It's pre-owned, but it's a goodie. This is, I'm pretty sure, the power cables for the home. They run over here to its junction box. This is where you turn it off and on. That, I do believe, should have breakers on it. I'm not 100% on this because I don't know how to run this. Matt knows how to run this. He will be teaching me and you in future videos. But this is the model number. This is the belts and everything in great condition. Now is a top that sets down on this. Folds up where you can access the belts and stuff. All the information about the motor and stuff is here. Just to give you a size ref. I am sanding on the rollback bed. See? And this thing is 6 foot tall pretty much. It's huge. Now let's check the front out together. So we got these mats right here. Sits inside. I got more of them. I think in the bed of the truck. I think. Or is this them? This might be them. Might be those. They sit inside here for something, I guess. I'm not sure. They go in here. Just like so. Some kind of mats. It's going to be a learning experience for me too. Let's try not to fall because it is quick up here. Model number again. The cylinder king. Inside is where the blocks and stuff goes. Some extra parts. We should have a handle somewhere. I think that's it. Right here. And a button. You know, it should raise and lower here, I do believe. I want to say a handle here. This is the light. Right here. You know, I'm not sure. Does that. Okay, this up and down. Okay, I see. Right, so this would be start and stop, I guess. I don't know. We have to figure it out together, as I said before. This is the inside. This moves this, I guess. Look at that, already figuring out stuff together. This holds honing fluid too, which is expensive. I'm trying not to lose any of it. Everything looks fine, I do believe, from what I can tell. You know, got a grate, got some of those thingies down in there. I don't see anything else that stands out to me. Not right off. We got this guy, that's where your stones go. And there's probably more stuff down in here. I'm not sure. Behind this, oh, it's a leech. Oh, they are. Look at that. Handles and stuff. That's neat. Doodads on the side. Grease fittings. That's pretty much the hone. What do you think? Let me know. I think we're gonna build a bunch of motors with this. I'm gonna try to learn how to use it myself. Matt's gonna teach me. Matt's actually learnt on one of these. You know, he does boring on the engines quite often. With the boring bar plus this, we can actually bore motors out and final hone them once we get the shop fully set up, which is not yet. It takes time to set up a machining shop. But, you know, gotta start somewhere, and we're starting with this. Yep, because we like motors, and, you know, everybody needs their engines, you know, worked on. And it's a dying trade because not many people knows how to work these anymore. So, make content on it. If you get you a CK-10 hone, maybe you figure out how to use it by watching our videos. Maybe, just maybe. But future content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.